Okay, so in this class we will let you know about the Rashis which we have, and we will be showing you up the Rashi name in English as well as in Sanskrit. And all 12 Rashis, if we complete, they cover 360-degree. Okay, so that's why you see the divisions like 0 to 30 degree. There is the first Rashi which is Aries, also known as Mesha. And if we talk about 30 to 60 degrees, that is Taurus, which is also known as Vrishabha. And if we see the third Rashi, which is Gemini and known as Mithuna, which is 60 to 90 degrees. And if you see the fourth Rashi, which is Cancer and also known as Karaka or Karkataka, and you can also say like 90 to 120 degree, which is covering up. And the fifth Rashi, which is Leo, that also known as Simha, which is from 120 degree to 150 degree. And sixth Rashi, which is Virgo, also known as Kanya, and that is 150 to 180 degree. And Libra is the seventh Rashi, which is also known as Tula, which is 180 to 210 degree. And the eighth number, which is known as Scorpio, which is Vrishika, and that is 210 to 240 degree. And number 9 is Sagittarius, which is also known as Dhanu, which is 240 to 270 degree. And number 10 is Capricorn, which is also known as Makara, which is 270 to 300 degrees. And 11th is Aquarius, which is also known as Kumbha, which is 300 to 330 degree. And the 12th Rashi, which is Pisces, which is also known as Meena in the Sanskrit, which is in the degree of 330 to 360 degree. Okay, we can also see there is every Rashis which have been a specific lords. Okay, and they are ruling by planets. In Vedic astrology we have 9 planets, and we can see there are 12 Rashis which are owned by those 9 planets. So if we want to see the planets which are owning the signs or Rashis or a zodiac, which we can say like Aries is being owned by Mars, Taurus is owned by Venus, Gemini owned by Mercury, Cancer owned by Moon, Leo owned by Sun, Virgo owns by Mercury, Libra is owned by Venus, Scorpio owned by Mars, Sagittarius is owned by Jupiter, Capricorn is owned by Saturn, Aquarius is also owned by Saturn, and Pisces at the end is owned by Jupiter. So we can see we have not mentioned Rahu or Ketu, which are also known as shadow planets, but we will discuss about them. They are not owning any specific Rashis if we talk about, but these are the planets which are owning Rashis, and we can know these are the lords of that particular Rashis. So you need to memorize these things, the names as well as the numbers, because the numbers are going to be used in the chart. Like if anybody asks you, okay, what is the number 7, shows 7 is Libra, and the owner of that particular sign is Venus. So hope this particular video is informative. This is a chart you need to memorize and know about it. Okay, so thanks for checking this out, and I will see you in the next class.